All right, so we're gonna get into a spaghetti recipe, right? So a lot of people always ask, after eczema, what foods do you eat? So I try my best to eat, healthy, uh, as much as I can. Majority of the time I'm pretty much just eating fruits and vegetables for the most part. I'll be raw, like fruits and vegetables, majority of the days. Like some days I'll do cooked foods. So for this meal, this is for everyone who wants, simple, decent meal. Um, it's pretty good. So this is what I do. This is just stuff that I do. So if you guys do whatever you want, this is what I do. Now, for a spaghetti, this is what I'm gonna do. So I just got some onions and some garlic. So I'm gonna use that as the base, and then I have some sun-dried tomatoes, and then some mushrooms over there. Gotta rinse them, and then some marinara sauce. Tip: anybody who dealing with the skin issues, pay attention, and I mean pay attention to everything you eat and drink. Look at the labels. So this just tomatoes, olive oil, onions, sea salt, garlic, basil, black pepper, spices. Now, when you are reading these labels, for spaghetti sauce, I wouldn't buy stuff that got canola oil, like just all them, just ingredients that you just don't know. So just be careful when you buy in a lot of the foods. And then this is just like a whole wheat alternative. So this here, just organic yellow lentil flour, organic brown rice flour, water. Now, keep in mind, this isn't a detox food. This isn't a detox meal. This is just something you're hungry, you want something filling, to help get you through it. So yeah, whole wheat. Try to stay away from whole wheat. That's my opinion, but this is the best one that I found that has the consistency of like a spaghetti noodle or whatever. So that's what we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna just saute all this up and get going. So let's get to it. All right, so first step, I'm just sauteing the onions and garlic. I put a little water. I didn't add any oil or anything, so I have water, and I'm gonna let this saute for a few minutes. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of mixed herbs. So whatever seasonings you like to use, you can, just add whatever you like. So I like using basil, thyme, parsley, all that, all like fresh herbs and stuff like that. So I do like to let it pour a little bit more water in there. I like to put the seasoning in when I saute the onions and garlic, just because it seems to give it a little bit more flavor. You could put salt also if you like salt, but because a lot of times these marinara sauces, they be kind of like so. So yeah, I just let this cook just a little longer, and then I'm gonna add the sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, so this is my base that I got going right now. So you can see this is going to be full of flavor. So this is how you kind of spice up your marinara sauces. So basically I'm just going to add the marinara sauce after that. And then I already got the mushrooms. And then I got the water over here boiling for the noodles or spaghetti, whatever. So yeah, let's keep it going. Alright, so that's where we're at so far. Added the mushrooms, and then I also added some red peppers in there that you can see. So, it's just sauteing, and then I'm going to add the marinara sauce, and then let it simmer for a while. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add my spaghetti, and yeah, we'll be almost done. Alright, let's go ahead and add the marinara. Alright, mix all these ingredients in and let it simmer. Alright, so I got the lid on, So you kind of get an idea of what it looks like. Then I got a small one in the back for my daughter, because she don't like all this extra stuff. With noodles. So yeah, it's coming along. Okay, noodles is done. So what I like to do is get a glass bowl or whatever and put a little olive oil in there, and then mix my noodles in there. All right, noodles are mixed in, or spaghetti, so you kind of see the texture. So yeah, these are pretty good. All right, so there you have it, spaghetti. So yeah, you can make it however you want to make it, whatever you like. There's so many different ways to make spaghetti, but this is just the way that I'm making it. I got a mess to clean up, and yeah, got my digestive enzymes, of course. We'll be taking those. And then another tip for spaghetti, like if it's sour because of the sauce, you guys can use like a brown sugar to kind of make it a little bit, it dilutes that sour taste. It makes it a lot better. So hope you guys enjoy. Cheers.